Benefits of lighting a swimming pool. Dear friends, your family's pool experience can be enhanced by simply transforming your swimming pool using pool lights. With lighting options that have been customized, pool owners are now allowed to highlight the architectural elements and the water features and change the mood of the pool. The energy-efficient LED pool lights will not only illuminate your pool, but they will save you money since they are energy conservers. Pool lighting will extend the life of your pool all through the evenings, and it will improve your safety if you want to swim at night or entertain your guests in your backyard during those warm nights. When your pool is lit, you can create an experience in your pool in your own backyard that will fulfill your dreams and satisfy your needs. Some benefits of pool lighting include: it adds a mood-enhancing and vibrant color. When you use lighting around and inside your pool, you add drama, mystery, and beauty to the entirety of your environment. Enjoy all the options found in pool lighting, like the timed and automated color effects lighting. You can lift your mood with playful color effects and bright lights which are designed to suit any event or any occasion. You can even celebrate your holidays or the birthdays in your family with festive colored lights. Sometimes you don't feel like swimming, but once you see your pool is well lit, you just feel like diving in and enjoying it. In whatever mood you are in, pool lighting will give you the chance to create an ambience in your backyard that you desire. Pool lighting creates a sparkling effect on your water at night. Your pool surface looks like crystals when the pool lights are turned on. It extends the use of the pool into the night, thus increasing its value to the pool owner. When your pool is well lit, you can take full advantage of it when the night falls. Pool lighting would have extended the life of your pool, and it encourages you to swim at night. Night swimming is a very relaxing and unique experience that is even more enhanced when you have ambient lighting. Enhancing safety and increasing visibility. At night, pool lights will increase visibility around the swimming pool and thus enhancing your safety. Backyard, spa and pool lights can provide the illumination needed for night swimming or safety at your poolside when you are entertaining. In addition, it enhances the highlights and contrasts transitions between the decks and the pool, stairs, walkways, and any other hard-to-see areas. When your pool has underwater lighting, you can easily see, swim and enjoy yourself if you are using your pool at night. These lights are especially important if you have children or pets that you have to constantly monitor. It adds mystery and drama to a pool environment. When you use lighting around and inside your pool, you add drama, mystery, and beauty for the entirety of your environment. Bring back the mystery and drama effect to your backyard paradise with lights that are ambient. Highlighting your water features. Water features like waterfalls, bubblers, spas, jets, Baja shelves, and fountains in or around your swimming pool will stand out even more with the use of pool lighting. Pool lights are a great tool for highlighting. Stunning architectural elements in your home, walls, and decks will be more defined when they are highlighted using pool lights. Pool lights for in-ground pools tend to be very complex and expensive. Be careful when you are using pool lights because you do not want to over-illuminate. Your pool may end up looking like a disco ball. You want to create a calming, soothing, and welcoming ambience in your swimming pool. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.